My favorite part about this school is that we have a lot of activities like today's sock hop or spring carnival and art night, and those are my favorite things about the school.
I also like how we have one teacher where they can get to know us and build a relationship with us.
That the mascot is a dragon because dragons are my favorite animal.
My favorite thing about the school is a lot of our work is done in groups, so we get to hang out with our friends and get to make new friends.
At normal schools, you don't get a lot of support, and here, if you need support, you get it.
Something that makes our school special is like the amount of events that we do. It's like our hard work during the school year pays off for all the events that we get to do.
What I like about our school is we get homeschool day Mondays. So we do work on the Mondays, so like project and work like that. And then also what I like is how our teachers, when they get to know us, we can do like one-on-ones with them.
It includes my whole entire family.
I like that at the beginning of the day we get to generate, and at 9 o'clock that's our snack time. And I really like it because our snack is really early.
What makes our school special is probably how all the learning is all hands-on.
It's just a really friendly community, I think, and I think it's kind of like a little bit like safer, more comfortable environment for me.
You get to make friends, and the teachers are very nice.
What makes the school so special to me is how I can make friends and how we communicate with people. One of the projects that we're doing right now is building like this hotel on the moon. Like we're making our own moon, like a pretend moon, and then we are like going to build a mini hotel on it.
I think that one of the things that makes our school special is that the parents and teachers are very involved in our education.
What makes my school special is the amount of projects that we do. So we do a lot of social studies projects, specialized projects, and it's a great way to like connect with the outside world, but also be able to learn some cool stuff about whatever you're studying.
The school tries to help us a lot more with our learning and it has like more things set to assist us with whatever we're struggling with.
What's unique about our school is that we don't have to switch classes or anything, so we have one teacher throughout the whole day, and that also means that we get to stay with the same students and peers the whole day. And then we also do a lot of group work at our school, and then we also our classes have multiple grade levels. So my class is 6 through 8, and we can tutor each other as well as the teacher helping us as well.
The whole school is